How to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. In today's video, we will guide you through a step-by-step guide on how to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Firstly, open any web browser and inside the web browser, tap on the search address bar and search for the Uber Eats $30 promo code. You can also type down as much dollar discount you want. So today in our video, we have mentioned $30. This is why I'm typing down the $30 promo code. Now browse through the trusted sites like RetailMe, Not Groupon, Coupons.com, Honey, and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, look for promo code specifically labeled for new users or existing users and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the page where you'll get to see the promo code, and there you'll get to see copy option available. Now copy that promo code, and now all you have to do is go to the ubereats.com or go to the Uber app, and during the checkout look for the field that says promo code or add promo code and enter your $30 promo code exactly as it is written and tap apply. Then check that the $30 discount has been applied to your order and confirm your payment method. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.